Welcome to another powerful episode from G8P, where we dive into the most pressing issues facing B2B marketers in manufacturing. Hi, I'm Chris Peer, founder and CEO of G8P, a marketing consulting firm specializing in helping manufacturers to achieve an ROI on their marketing spend. The right tools can significantly improve your efficiencies and the performance of your marketing operation. And in this video, we're going to talk about your technology stack, pillar number 7. In this chapter, we'll discuss the 3 core technologies required for ROI-driven marketing, including your customer relationship management system, or CRM. We're going to talk about your content management system, CMS, and your marketing automation platform, such as HubSpot, Marketo, or Pardot, to name a few. We will cover the most important features of these tools and how they play together for optimal success. So go to our website at g8p.co and buy the book or read more about your technology stack and how it can improve your marketing operation. Thanks.